Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video I want to show you how you can make a simple sliding animation in Android, because so many have asked me about animations here, and that is actually not that difficult to do. So I'm in an empty Android Studio project here. I just set up a very basic Hello World text view here, made it a little bit larger so that we can actually see what is going on here, and then we will write the logic to actually slide that text view up. And I also set up this basic view binding stuff here so that we can easily access that text view. First of all, we want to create an animation resource file here in our RAS folder, new Android resource file, and call that slide up. Make sure to select animation as a resource type. And inside of this XML file, we now need to define how our animation actually looks like. And the advantage of that is that you can also very easily customize your animation. So you don't need to make this a slide up animation. You can also make it slide in from left, slide in from right, from the top, or whatever you want. So essentially we want to make this slide up animation here. So we will open a translate tag. That means we want to somehow move a view. That means translate. And here we can specify from x delta to x delta, from y delta and to y delta. So we will actually use from y delta here. So we basically define the percentage from where we actually want to move the view up in y direction, so to the top or to the bottom. We want to start at 100%. So in Android, 100% in y direction just means the text view is at the whole bottom, so it's not visible, or it's rather moved down exactly as high as it is. And then we can say Android to y delta, so we want to animate it from 100% to 0%. So 0% just means the normal position it actually is in y direction. And we can also define more attributes here, like we can modify the scale, rotation, the alpha, which I will actually use here. So we want to let it fade in from transparent to non-transparent. And here we can also say from alpha, we want to animate it from 0% visibility to alpha to 1% actually, not 1%, 100%. So from 0 to 1, that means we just let it fade in basically here. And that's it for this animation XML file. Now the only thing we need to do is we need to play this animation. For that I want to create an extension function for views in an additional Kotlin class so that we can just easily play that slide up animation on every view we have in our project. I'll call this view extension, select file here. And here I will create that function which extends view.slideUp. Import view here. This will take the animation time, so how long that animation should actually be, which is in long, so milliseconds. And we will have the start offset, which is also of type long. So if we actually want to delay that animation for some milliseconds. And then we can say val slide up is equal to animation utils from Android view animation here dot load animation. We pass the context we get from this view class we extend here. We need to pass the ID of the animation we actually want to play, which is our XML file here. So r.anim slide up. Then we call that apply. We set the duration of the animation to anim time. We set the interpolator to fast in, fast out, slow in interpolator. So the interpolator just determines how fast the animation plays at which time. So this will just make sure it's not a linear animation that looks pretty bad, I think. This just makes it a little faster when it goes out actually, but you can play around with these interpolators. And we want to say this.start offset to our start offset we passed. So this just refers to this animation we're currently in here in this apply block. And then we simply need to call start animation and pass our slide up. And it's actually that easy. So to actually play that, we go back to main activity. And I will just set an on-click listener here to our root layout so that we can play it over and over again. But you can also, the same way, just directly play it when this app loads. So binding.root set on-click listener. And here we call binding.tv hello world .slide up. I will set the animation time to 1000 milliseconds, so 1 second, and I will set the offset to 0. And it's that easy. Let's actually run our app, take a look here. And if we now click on this background, you can see our text view actually slides in. So this is a very easy animation that looks pretty good in my opinion, and you can customize that very easily just by changing the values here in this XML file. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, then you should check out my website where you will find more advanced Android courses, and with the discount code Philipp15 you will get 15% off of all my courses there. I wish you an awesome day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.